Good morning, everybody. If you're new here, my name is Matt, and I work for an excavation company.
Let's hop to it.
All right, we are in the 308 this morning. The fan turned off on this thing. It's getting kind of warm. So one thing about this, look at this. This is cool. This window, this bottom window, it'll slide up into this top window. And this top window obviously will open up. So everything opens up at once and you can put your feet out. That's pretty cool. That was my excitement for yesterday. So we already got these dug out yesterday. Everybody's happy. So we started on this one. I've been fighting a big rock for like 20 minutes or a big chunk of concrete, whatever it may be. All right, so we did some exploratoring just to make sure this wasn't a some kind of line block like the end of a water line. They just abandoned it. This hole to that hole, and did some exploratory, see if it was just a long tube, but it's not. It's just an old chunk of concrete or something. So. That didn't even break. The other half. Right there, huh? I got it. Yeah, for free. Alright, so those are all dug. That one layer yonder, 2, 3, 4. So they're just rough right now. I'm going to go back in and get them all looking slicked up, looking pretty. Got a little don't step in there pallets. But yeah. And then after that, I'm going to get that stockpile and a smoother pile going along that way so we can load it out on a later day. This no, it didn't work out for me. Nope, not that time. I'll get in there and get him out. got it all done. Looks prettier. Give it a good step, 4 feet. On and on and on. Looking pretty good. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and welcome to the channel. And don't forget to smack that like button, leave a comment. So until next time, friends,